Hey, folks, welcome to Verified Investing here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. My service is called Verified Investing Alerts for swing trading stocks, verified options alerts for swing trading options. I encourage you to come to In The Money Stocks and check us out, or you can follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway. All right, I want to talk about the S&P today. I want to talk about a major level. This video is going to be wholeheartedly all about the S&P analysis. I want you guys to leave knowing exactly what levels you're going to watch for. All right, so what you can see is this is the intraday 10-minute chart of the SPY, which is the S&P tracking ETF. And notice how right here we kind of got below this level, this 342.50 level, and then they got us back above. And then look at yesterday. Low pivot right against it, low pivot right against it. Look at today, low pivot right against it, low pivot right against it. The reason why this is such a big deal is because this level on the daily chart is the end-all be-all level. So remember from this video, 342.5 on the SPY. A daily close below it should kickstart a significant amount of selling pressure over the next few days. If they can keep us above, the markets have a shot of bouncing still. Now, obviously, the markets are getting whipped back and forth on the backside of potential for stimulus, no potential, back to no potential. It's really a whipsaw action, and that's why you're getting these kind of, whippy moves up and down and up and down and up and down. And even today, we've had a pop here and then a pullback and then a pop, and we're kind of down ticking a little bit here as well. But let me go to the daily chart. I want to show you this, all right? So this is why this level is so important. This is the daily S&P 500 chart or SPY chart. Look at this pivot here. This is where we closed going back to the beginning of the big corrective move off of my cycle. I had a cycle right here. It worked out perfectly. This is where we closed. Look at how this day we tagged the upside, and this is the daily chart. Upside, upside, kissed it, pierced it, upside, then we broke above, and then look at this. Kissed it here, pierced it here, hit it, hit it. This is telling you that this is a humongous level. If we close back below this 342 level, the market should not have enough energy to get us back above. We should see significant downside in this market. If you do get below that, you'll have a minor support level here. The level is 335 on the spiders. And if you break that, then you go down to this level, which is at 329. Okay, and then ultimately revisiting this low pivot right down here, which again is a beautiful potential support level right there. Now, if that breaks, all games are, all question marks are off. This market could really see a big tumble. But right now, that's the level you're watching. Again, we are currently trading at 343.43 or 343.45 right now, up about 7 cents on the day. You can see that we're clearly above that level at 342.50. But watch that level, folks. I kid you not here. That is your pivot point. And you can see it. It's clear as day, right? I mean, look at how many times we hit on the underbelly of it here and then over here. We finally broke above, and look at how we kind of came down on a gap down, kissed it. And then we pierced it briefly, closing below. They saved it. They can usually save it one time. It's like a get-out-of-jail-free card. The way the market works is I use a signal called confirmation, and that's why. But basically, when you close below a level the first time, or above a level for a breakout, you're not 100% sure unless it confirms. And it's usually that one chance it gets. So in this case, it was able to get back above, but we're hammering on it again and again. If we close back below, this market should go down more. So right now, the way you want to play this market is to be watching that level. And if that level breaks, look for significant downside. If they can hold that level, if this market, if the S&P closes above this 342.50 level today, the market still has a chance to climb back up. So again, this is a major, major, major pivot point on this chart of the S&P 500, and that's why I wanted to give it to you guys in this video so you have full disclosure, full knowing about what you are looking at here, and keep an eye on this. It should be significant going into the end of today. You guys have a great one. Come visit me at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Again, my services, you can find them under my name, Gareth Soloway. Again, my services, verified investing alerts and verified option alerts. Also follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway. Take care.